These are the Lego guys that came in from BrickTactical. Eric with a pandemic logo. And his girlfriend texted me and said, "Where's my Lego, Eric?" So I brought it to Eric. But anyway, he was just explaining to me these new mats we got in today. Steven found them. I think Steven has one at home.
Yeah, he's had one at home for a while now, doing his own knife stuff on the side.
Sell me on it.
But yeah, he just showed me this on Amazon, and they're like $26 or something. It's a silicone, like, kind of circuit board soldering mat. But yeah, it works amazing because it's just got all these little spots to put all your tools. So like my screwdriver can just go right there all the time. Instead of like before, I'd put it down here. And then it would just roll all over the place, or it would roll off the table, and I'd be catching it like 4 or 5 times a day.
You don't even think about it.
Don't even
it's
think
just
about
normal.
It. It's just the struggle. You're like,
Yep.
oh, get back there, get back there, get back there. Whereas now it's just perfect. And then yeah, all the screws you use just daily or randomly.
Check this out. These are counted. The numbers are in there. It actually says screw position. There's like a ruler in the bottom. That's magnetic. Those are magnetic.
There's little parts containers. And it's a little bit like shock resistant, so you're not like, if you drop the knife or drop the blade tip on here, like it's not gonna like bend the tip or like hurt it more than, or as much as like the wood would.
How much wood would it do it? Would a woodchuck chuck? So it's a little bit better than a paper towel, hey?
Yes, yeah, a lot better. And the paper towel that I was using previously, like you'd try to grab a screw and then you grab part of the paper towel too, and it just starts fluffing up, and you just don't realize how much you're struggling with something until you find the proper solution.
Love it.
Yeah,
we've had a couple. Like there's a guy on Instagram that was making these for a while, aluminum with epoxy in the base. They're great. Eric uses it.
But it's metal too, so it's
right
a little bit riskier.
And then there's these Hogue Mats. I think we have a Microtech one somewhere.
Yeah, right here.
Explain that one to me.
So yeah, that's what I was using just before this. And it's great, it's the same kind of silicone or whatever, but a little bit harder to pick screws up off of it, no place for anything to stay.
It's more of a doormat than it is an actual catch stuff on the lip kind of takedown mat like that is.
Right.
Interesting.
Yeah, like this has the lip even here.
Yeah.
So it's just got this whole nice contained tray.
And it's big.
It is big, yeah. It's perfect.
That's awesome.
Yeah, I would highly recommend them.
Yeah.
They're on sale on Amazon right now for like $22 Canadian.
Awesome. Oh, there's another. Yeah, we got 3 of them. Sweet. Hey everybody, John Grimsmo here, bringing you another shop vlog. Check this out. So yesterday I showed these silicone mats that Steven recommended. So we got 3 of them. Angelo put one here for his pen assembly area. Check this out. Very, very cool. And then my buddy Peyton sent us some epic Lego figures. Look at these things. So he sent one of me and then one of Eric. Eric with the pandemic logo. And even the background of this retail packaging has the pandemic pattern and the honeycomb pattern on mine. These are so sick. So we got a couple just for little giveaways and things like that. If you guys want to buy them, head to, I think it's BrickTactical.com. I'm not sure exactly. Yeah, it should be BrickTactical.com. Peyton is making them from his house, garage, whatever, and shipping them from there. So I said you can have all the business for those if you want to make them and ship them. So maybe we'll put a link on our website to his site. I don't want to inventory them necessarily, but we've certainly got some to play. So they've also got these little magnetic stands that it's actually got magnets on it. These are cool. These are cool. Yeah, we've had Lego guys for a while. All from him, I think. Like on the Mori here, we got my buddy War Machine, and I forget where the rest of them went. Oh yeah, they're over here by the Canada flag. Here we got Fusion Guy and me. So yeah. Oh, check this out. So I got a text this morning. Let me show you. A text this morning from the team. This is the Swiss lathe, what it did last night. So when I ran all those spacers, they worked great, but it leaked. And this guy's now been cleaning it up all morning. So it overflowed and leaked somewhere. I think there's a lot of chip buildup in the drains. Something we definitely have to figure out. Our stainless steel drip tray worked, but it filled. It overflowed. So we got some figuring to do. This thing needs to be able to run all night and not leak everywhere, so we'll figure something out. Checking the thread fit. Too big? Alright, so the threads got a little bit big, like micro, little tiny bit big, but all the other dimensions held exactly within just a few tenths all night long, so that is fantastic. So, I got some stuff to make. It has some holes now. So just now, since yesterday, I put in those stop pin holes. These are the lock bar insert holes. Bearing pocket, through hole, 440 threaded holes, spacer holes, all that stuff. I'm getting there. I'm almost done with the inside machining. There's some complicated stuff with the detent ball that I still got to figure out, and the lock bar cutout, not so hard, but the lock bar insert is challenging a little bit. Getting there. So right now I'm just going to get some gauge pins, make sure that my hole sizes are where I want them to be, if not comp them up a little bit. We have threads. There we go. Oh baby. That's good. Check this out. So all of our metal here came beautifully packaged. Like, actually very, very impressed. It's neat that they actually cut it in the tube so it self-protects and it's just easier for them. This is 4140 HT and they call it TGP, turned and precision ground, as opposed to a hot rolled finish like this chunker. With the hot rolled, your tolerance bigger is like a lot, like 30 thou bigger, 50 thou bigger or something. So that guy's supposed to be 5.5 inches, but it's 5.54, which is a lot bigger. And these guys should have a 1 thou tolerance, give or take. And they're beautiful, and I measured the thickness, and they're very, very well saw cut, very flat, nice, very accurate. I like this supplier. They will be getting more of our business. So a lot of these are going to be for mini pallets on the small pallets on the other side of the Aroa there. And then there's some bigger ones for some bigger pallets. I got some ideas. I got some cool stuff going on. So there's a lot of stuff in here. And then these are going to be various top clamps and stuff. Alright, that's it for me today, guys. I feel like I made some good progress today. Never as much as I want to, or intend to, or wish I had. But feeling pretty good. Yeah, things are good. Things are good. So Sky spent most of the day cleaning up that massive oil spill. And oil does not clean up easily, so that was fun. But he got it running again. He said tolerances were perfect. Made like 450 parts last night. Got it running now. Made 56 parts so far. I checked them, they're good, and then it's going to run tonight as well. And it was just coolant draining back into the tank. The little perforations were clogged up, so it was overflowing in a couple areas. We got to maintain it a little bit better. It is what it is. And we got a couple ideas on how to eliminate it for the future, so that's good too. But yeah, things are good. Hope you guys are good too. See you tomorrow.